This is the last big bull run for crypto. We are starting it. We are here. We are literally, the door is opening right now as of this minute. I've done a couple of other videos. I'm going to show you proof that this is happening. Also going to show you some analyst reports that really align and give you some context for how big this can and will be. Two things: subscribe, hit that like button down, please, there below. You know what I meant. All right. So got a lot to cover for you. Stay to the end. I'm also going to tell you about a fantastic trading platform that if you're interested in leverage trading and things like that, they've got a great bonus for you. I'm going to tell you about that in this video as well. Okay. So right now, as of press time, as a recording, we are surging. We are up. Okay. So it's been doing this now since yesterday and really, really looking really good. Bitcoin going back up over $45,000. This was a big deal. 45,000 was really a key number for us to move beyond and move up. Ethereum up as well, right there, as you can see those respective numbers. Solana surging and outpacing now BNB as of right this second. You can see it's in the number 4 spot. In the top gainers, let me show you this right now, are ASTR. SCI has been on fire doing a lot. That one is just crushing it, moving up and really, really nice. HBAR moving up nicely as well. So here's here's a couple things I want to show you. So Bitcoin breaks through 45,000 as ETF decisions near is $50,000 next. The short answer is yes. Okay. It's just a matter of when. It's not a matter of if. And most likely it could even hit that as we're nearing the Bitcoin spot ETF decision. I'm going to remind you that we are awaiting that decision to come January 10th. Now, we may get some visibility into it before then with a couple of different scenarios playing out, leaked information, whatever it may be. We'll see how that all plays out. But again, January 10th is the big date. Okay. So, and as I said, this is your last chance, right? Why? Because it's the last chance to get in on these cryptos as they and get in with a fairly relatively low cost dollar value. Now, Solana, you can see in the last 78 days is up 400%. Bitcoin in the last 77 days is up 64%. I'm looking at this blue box right here where my mouse is. Cardano is up 146% in the last 72 days. ICP is one that's been on fire, 345%. These may sound like astronomical gains, and they are, but it is still relatively cheap. These assets are still at a discount from where they were back in late 2021, fourth quarter of 2021. And that's really my point, is you get rich in crypto by having a low cost, right? It's how cheap do you buy it and the profit that is in between that point. Okay. So buy now is my point, instead of on the massive FOMO days that are really coming. And we've got massive FOMO days heading at us. Okay. So the other thing I really wanted to show you is Plan B is a firm that I really do follow and I do watch what they're doing. And I wanted to show you this. So they made some forward guidance back in October of 22, talking about predictions for Bitcoin. And they are in fact obviously coming true. Now, this is one thing I wanted to show you. They are saying a surge leading up to April. Okay. Hitting ultimately a model value of 55,000, ranging between 30 to 100,000. What they're saying is that from now until April, Bitcoin, you can expect to see average hitting 55,000. It could, now the low end of that is 30,000. I don't think we're going to see that, obviously, with a range to 100,000. And again, I don't think we'll see 100,000 by April. But here's something else that they're saying. They're talking about the halving event, which we will see in April. Okay, the Bitcoin halving event. Okay, they're saying that, again, we will pump after the halving right here in the purple. We will hit 100K in the green in 2024. But look at this, target value of 532,000, average ranging between 250,000 and 1 million. That is ultimately the range that we will see in the next few years. $1 million possible for Bitcoin. Okay, so now if you're saying, well, that sounds great for Bitcoin, Austin, but that doesn't really matter to me. I don't own Bitcoin. I don't care about, I don't want to own it, whatever it may be. Again, okay, remember, Bitcoin is like right here. Look, Bitcoin is 51% of the overall market. Remember that, right? So where Bitcoin goes, everything else follows. As Bitcoin goes to 100,000, everything else is going to be moving up along with it. Just remember, the money's going to flow into Bitcoin first, Ethereum, and then the major altcoins. Just remember that. Okay, so a few final thoughts. Oh, I told you I would tell you about a trading platform. It's Margex. Links in the description below. They're going to give you a 20% a deposit bonus to go against fees and things of that nature, kind of a cashback scenario. If that's of interest to you, 100x leverage. These guys are the best trading platform out there. So links in the description below, no KYC. You can use these guys anywhere in the world, all that kind of stuff. I love this. This is the best one. They've been around for a long time. They've stood the test of time, if you know what I mean. Okay. And there's a link in the description below if you want to take advantage of that discount. Go create an account. It's free for you to do. Check them out. Look around what they've got. This is where I'm going to start doing more and more trading moving into 24. I'm looking at doing a little bit of leverage trading as well. It's I'm kind of got to do some of that. So that's a big goal for me in 24 is that. So links in the description below, check them out. And again, you get a 20% bonus. Okay. So final thoughts here on what we've seen with crypto. I think we've got major opportunities ahead. We're going to have a little bit of volatility possibly leading up to the event. We could have a sell-off on January 10th, a little bit of a pullback sell-off, just FYI. Okay. And also depends on what we see happens on January 10th. If that decision does not come out, you can expect a move down in crypto as well. Okay. So few final thoughts. Remember I showed you these moves up 403% for Solana. This is my software, my trading indicator, who gave a buy alert 78 days ago, and it's up 400%. $1,000 invested, you would be in profit, have profit of $4,031. Okay. Bitcoin, there's a profit of 64%. 1,000 in would have made you $644 profit. Cardano, 72 days ago, gave an alert, 146% profit. 1,000 in would have gave you a profit of $1,465. And you can see there's been no sell alert right here on that. Now, Bitcoin, I wanted to show you this. It just gave a buy alert. See where my mouse is? Approximately about, within the last 12 hours. Okay. I know, I apologize. Within the last 24 hours. So in the last 24 hours, it just gave a buy alert. Now it's been 77 days ago, if you will, that it gave the last buy alert. So you see that. That's what's really cool about this. And these alerts, all I do is I have them sent to my phone. Gives me an alert, time to buy, time to sell, whatever asset it may be. So links in the description below to that. Check it out. This is my site. There's a discount code down below as well, where you can get a discount on this. And it basically makes my software $37. That's a little bit more than $1 a day, less than you spend on a cup of coffee. Is it worth to you $1 to maybe get better insight into trading and things like that? There's a 30-day money back guarantee. And I've already showed you 400%, 64%, 146%, ICP 345%. This is happening across the board, and it gives you insight into when to buy and when to sell, all that kind of stuff. Links in the description below. Go get it. You have 30 days to try it completely free, effectively, because you get your money back if you don't like it. Go make some money. See you.